Alright, here we have the rules of handball. We're going to watch um, some key points here. Stop the video as we watch it together here.
Handball. Handball, otherwise known as team handball or Olympic handball, is a game that's a mixture of basketball, soccer, and ice hockey. Handball is played
Mixture of what three sports? Basketball, football, and ice hockey?
soccer,
Basketball, European football, or soccer in America, and ice hockey. Basketball, soccer, and ice hockey are the three sports that Olympic handball is organized around.
and ice hockey. Handball is played with 2 teams of 14, with 7 players taking to the court at any one time.
Alright, 14 total, 7 players. There's 1 goalie and then 6 field players per team. Therefore, there's 2 goalies and then 12 field players who could be attackers, defenders. Alright, they can go all over the court.
This includes 1 goalkeeper and 6 field players. The object of the game is for your team to score more goals than the opposing team. To score a goal, a player must throw the ball into the goal. These goals are 3 meters wide by 2 meters high, and the ball must completely cross the goal line, and the shooting player must not step into the crease for a goal to count.
The goal crease is this area right here. Alright, the goal line that's in front of the goal itself. Alright, and then behind here. So a goalie cannot step into there for a block. It has to be in front of the goal line here, and they can go anywhere here in the blue. Alright. No other players are allowed in the blue.
The goal crease is a 6-meter radius around the goal, and the free throw line is a 9-meter radius. The court itself is 40 meters by 20 meters. The game starts by the team that wins the coin toss, and it starts with the throw-off.
Coin toss, just like in American football. You win heads, you are going to be the one starting the throw-off.
Once a team has possession of the ball, a player must not hold on to it for more than 3 seconds, nor must a player take any more than 3 steps.
Cannot hold it for longer than 3 seconds. Cannot take more than 3 steps. Failure to do this results in a free throw.
Failure to do this results in a free throw being awarded to the opposing team. You can pass the ball directly between teammates, or dribble the ball like in basketball, where you bounce the ball up and down repeatedly whilst in motion. Players must make a conscious effort to move the ball up the court and try and score. If the referee decides that the team is making no attempt to shoot, this is known as passive play, and the ball is awarded to the other team.
So passive play is when you are not making an effort to shoot the ball. You're stalling, essentially. So you are always being an attacker no matter what the score.
The opposing team will try and stop you by blocking the ball with their hands and arms, making frontal bodily contact, and forming walls with other teammates to force errors from the attacking team. A defender has to be careful here, as they cannot pull the ball out of the attacking player's hands, nor can they push or jump into them. Any of these infractions
Defenders can't push or jump into them. Alright, they cannot take the ball from them. They're just trying to be in the way of the flight of the ball. Okay? If you are set and the offensive player jumps into you, you will retain possession. There will be no goal.
results in a free throw being awarded to the other team. The game is played in 2 30-minute halves for a total playing time of 60 minutes. Highest score at the end of time wins. If the game ends in a tie, up to 2 5-minute overtime periods are played to determine the winner. If the game is still tied after 2 overtime periods, it goes to a penalty shootout, just like soccer. Handball is an easy sport to understand, but there's a few other things you'll need to do before you play or watch a game. For example, goal crease. The goal crease, or goal area, is the exclusive domain of the goalkeeper. All players have to be aware that the goalkeeper, and only the goalkeeper, is allowed in the goal crease. If an attacking player steps...
Okay, so the goal crease and the inside area of the goal are two different things. The goal crease or the goal zone is this entire blue area here, which is what we call the 3-point line. Alright, so nobody can be in the 3-point line beside the goalkeeper. we don't really have this dotted line area. It'd be about volleyball line extended, and then down here outside of the goal crease.
Into the goal crease and scores a goal is disallowed. If a defending player steps into the goal crease to stop someone shooting, a 7-meter throw is awarded to the attacking team. 7-meter throw. This is the equivalent of a penalty kick in soccer. If a defender steps into the goal crease to prevent someone shooting, or has prevented a legitimate chance to score, a 7-meter throw is awarded to the other team. A player lines up at the 7-meter line and gets to shoot once against the goalkeeper. All shots that go in count. Dribble fault. Just like the double dribble violation in basketball, a player cannot dribble the ball, stop, and then proceed to dribble again. In handball, this is known as a dribble fault, and possession of the ball is awarded to the other team. Progressive punishment. Just like in soccer, if you start committing fouls, you'll first be warned with a yellow card. If you proceed to foul...
First foul, yellow card. Second and third, you will miss some time. And the fourth is red. Any of your fouls could be deemed red card, which is loss of all points. And you're out of competition that day.
Again, you are handed a 2-minute suspension from the game, just like in ice hockey. A third foul draws another 2-minute suspension, and if you foul a fourth time, you are shown a red card and are ejected from the game. You can also be shown a straight red card for serious offences. Substitution. There are unlimited substitutions in handball, and all substitutes must cross over the substitution line. If you have found this video at all helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. It takes me ages to make...
Okay, so that is handball. Alright, you'll have a few questions to answer on Google Classroom here. Thank you.